Ndewono. Welcome to Igbo class made easy. Today, we are going to learn how to pronounce Igbo alphabet like a native speaker. The goal of today's class: by the end of the class, you should be able to hear, repeat, and correctly pronounce common Igbo alphabet sounds like a native speaker. Okay, let's start. Ka anyị bido. Open your ears, listen carefully, and repeat after me. But we are going to start with the Igbo vowel sound. They are called Uda Ume. Uda Ume. They are 8 in number. Ha dị asatọ. They are 8 in number. Ha dị asatọ. A, E, I, I, O, O, U, U. Repeat after me. A, E, I, I, O, O, U, U. Beautiful. So we are going to learn how it sounds in a word. So we'll be using them to make words. Azụ. You have seen the azụ here, fish. Azụ, azụ, fish. Eze. Eze means king. Eze, eze. Iko, 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 cup. Igba. Igba means drum. Look at it here. Igba, igba. Oche. Oche means chair. Ochie, oche. Ọkụ. Ọkụ, ọkụ, fire. Ube. Ube, ube. That means pear. Ụdara. O-D-A-R-A. Ụdara. Ụdara is star apple. Some people call it cherry. Okay. You'll try it at your own time. See Udara. Have you seen Udara? Now we are going to learn the other side of Abidii Igbo. That's Mgbochi Ume. Mgbochi Ume means the consonants. You know, Abidii Igbo. Abidii Igbo, there are 36 in number. So we have 8 vowel sound and we have 28 consonants. The consonants are called Mgbochi Ume. Mgbochi Ume, we have the ones with single letters, we have the ones with double letters. The ones with double letters are called Odampe. Odampe. The ones with single letters are called Mgbochi Ume Noromo. So let's start. B, D, F, G, H, G, K, L, M, N, N, P, R, C, T, V, W, Y, Z. Beautiful. The ones with double letters, be careful how to pronounce these ones. You don't pronounce them as two words, two letters. You pronounce them as single letters smoothly. So, chi, gbe, gbe, re, gbe, pe, kwe, nwe, nye, sh. Let's go again. Chi, gbe, re, gbe, pe, kwe, nwe, nye, sh. The single letters. B, D, fi, gi, hi, ji, ke, le, me, ni, ni, pi, ri, s, ti, vi, we, ye, ze. Beautiful. So, activity time. Learn how to pronounce these ones. I, ịgba. Ọ, ọkụ. Ni, nwi, ni, ni, wee, wee, ri, kwi, kwi. Beautiful. You are doing well. So you continue to learn how to pronounce it on daily basis till you master it. So in the next class, we are going to use these consonants, mbochume, to form words, just like we did in Igbo vowel. So let me know in the comment section the ones that you are having challenge to pronounce, the ones that are difficult for you to pronounce. And if you have any question, just put it in the comment section. I will get back to you. Please like, share, subscribe to Igbo Class Made Easy for more content. So see you